Here we go. Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who has ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years. Save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Sing this song and declare it. I'll be vegan from now on. Declare put your hand on your heart and sing it loudly. Today is the day I will start. I'll be vegan from now on. Hello students, welcome back to class. In case you don't know me, I am Miss Katie. I am That Vegan Teacher, and I'm here on social media for one reason only. To try to make sure that you understand what happens to the animals in the meat, dairy, and egg industries, and to try to encourage you to be kind, and that means to be vegan. And today, we're going to be looking at a little video by Plant-Based News. If you're not following them yet, I suggest that you do. Now today, what they've done is they've gotten a couple of people together, different couples, and they are social media influencers, and they are giving them some vegan meats. Anyway, you're gonna see coming up right now. Okay, you guys ready? Let's watch.
Oh my gosh, and none of it was me.
Are you serious? You've been Tindled.
You've been Tindled. Apparently this is a new word. I'm all for inventing new words, so it's fine with me. I guess it's the brand of their vegan chicken.
Today we are putting 3 pairs of non-vegan influencers to the test. We've got 3 different challenges designed to trick them into thinking that they're eating meat. The twist is all Tindle.
It's all Tindle. Oh, that is so cool. So that is really smart of them. So they got these couples together who are usually only eating meat, and they're gonna try to get them to see that vegan foods are good for them, that they taste good, and so that there are other options out there. So hopefully if they can veganize those people, then those people will influence their own audiences to become vegan, which is great because the animals are suffering so much right now. On factory farms, they are really suffering. And I know many of you don't believe me and you think that it's crazy, but the truth is that they really are suffering. Do I have a little? Oh yeah. If you don't know, please watch this documentary. I mention it all the time. Some of you have seen it now, me advertising this millions of times, but it's the only way to really understand. So go to watchdominion.com. Okay, it's all one word. You just type in watchdominion.com and it'll tell you why I am here. You'll really understand why it's so important that we become vegan, because the animals are suffering so much. So when you watch this, you bring a paper and a pen or a pencil and you write down all the names of the animals that you see. Okay, it's really important that you bring this paper and this pencil when you watch it, and you might also need a box of Kleenex. And the reason that you're doing that is you want to really remember what you've seen in the video, because there are so many different animals, and you will realize then how much the animals are exploited and what we do to all these different innocent creatures. But anyway, today we're here to watch the rest of this video.
Wow.
Wow, that is me, honestly. This is looking a bit comfortable.
Okay, so it said on the screen, challenge 1, guess the ingredients. I mean, it totally looks like chicken to me.
Already.
A lemon turkey burger, kind of.
I've tasted that taste before.
No way.
They are very crisp, actually.
Mushroom, I think.
Or chicken.
Chicken satay.
That's satay with a couple of sap.
Let me close my eyes because I need to.
Really visualise it, like ratatouille.
This is Sensations roasted chicken in time.
Egg.
Barley leaf.
Bay
leaf.
Bay leaf. These are really nice.
Up next, we have 2 different burgers. Let's see if they can guess what's in it.
Okay, so they were trying to guess the ingredients, and I don't know how many they got right, but I mean, at least they are, having a good attitude about this challenge. That's great.
Challenge 2. The influencers are still none the wiser, and now we're going to put the blindfold on them to see if they can guess the difference between 2 burgers, to see which one is meat and which is Tindle. Ali, are you there?
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Which is meat and which is Tindle? I wonder if I could tell the difference. I would never, of course, try real meat again, like meat from a dead animal, but I think it's so great that they are creating these new products, aren't you? Write down in the comments if you have ever tried any kind of a vegan meat before. Have you tried the Impossible Burger? Have you tried the Beyond Burger? Maybe you've tried a burger by Light Life. There's all different kinds of brands. Let me know down there. Or do you make your own with lentils and chickpeas? I don't know. Maybe you have a secret recipe where you put in some nutritional yeast and mix it all together. Let me know. I'm very curious.
Ow.
It smells like a quarter pounder.
Right, I think that smells like meat to me. Guys, how am I going to get my chops around this?
It's really similar to McDonald's burger.
Okay, I'm feeling the patty. Crisp.
Crisp.
That is really good. Nice, chef, nice.
Oh, they really like it. They really like the vegan food. They really like the vegan food. This is so great.
Chicken burger.
I don't know, bro. I got a blindfold on.
That tastes really meaty to me. That tastes like chicken to me.
Tastes meaty. Tastes like chicken. Yes.
I'm going burger 2. Be right back.
Okay, that one's very nice. Are you ready?
I've eaten it already.
A KFC burger, but better. I think it's
A KFC burger, but better. Cool. This is so great, guys. Aren't you just so happy watching this? You know, because more and more people are learning that veganism is a completely easy option. It's not hard at all. There are so many alternatives out there.
chicken, fried chicken.
They are both absolutely phenomenal.
Oh, I can't actually tell which
Both phenomenal because they're both vegan.
one is meat now.
What is going on with the crispiness? It's fantastic.
I think the right one's the plant-based one.
Yeah, I think it is as well.
This type of meat is great.
I think the one on the right is the plant-based one.
Right, burger A is either a chicken burger or the best chicken substitute I've ever tasted in my life.
Come on then. What's next? What's the third challenge?
Up next, these little stars, chicken style nuggets. 2 different seasonings. We're going to cut them in half, let them look inside, see if they can guess what's in them. They can only judge them by sight this time.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, only by sight this time. That's interesting.
Oh.
Have you been watching that show, Is It Cake?
Is it Doug?
Yeah, oh my God.
Is it Doug? Oh, they've torn one as well. That one's vegan.
No, wait.
No, that one looks more like chicken.
No, I think this one looks more like chicken.
Oh, hold on. I don't believe them. I think they're exactly the same.
Let's go with this for real one.
No, that's not.
Ah, she's smart. She got it.
Okay, let's go for this one.
Can I plot twist and say they're both vegan?
No, you need to stop plot twisting. It's not all a conspiracy theory.
Can we go,
Can we go?
Judge, the trick question?
Yes, it is a conspiracy.
That what? They're both meat or they're both vegan?
Vegan.
I think they're both vegan. We're smarter than them.
Yes.
They think, let's get 2 hot people in. They'll be idiots.
Vegan.
Vegan.
Fine, I'm going with you. I don't agree with that, but okay.
Right, guys, are you ready for the results?
Not even a little bit.
You said that you thought that burger A was meat. I can
Yeah.
confirm that you were incorrect.
You were so sure.
Unfortunately, you were not correct.
Retiring.
Bro, did you even eat this?
I really thought I was taking like big old chunky bites.
Hold on, but you ate the bread and the tomato
I
and
don't know
went,
what
this
happened.
is vegan.
I can say that you were correct in this one. The reason why you were correct is that actually every single thing that you've been eating today is plant-based. None of it is meat. It is a plant-based chicken. I can say, unfortunately, you were not correct on that one either.
You're joking.
We said that one.
Yeah,
was
because
vegan.
you said it was a conspiracy.
And I'll tell you that the reason why is because it was a conspiracy and you've been Tindled.
You've been Tindled. That's a new word. I guess we're supposed to all buy these kind of burgers and test them out on our friends. And then when they get it wrong and they realize, oh yeah, it's all vegan, then you say, you've been Tindled. We here in Canada, as far as I know, don't have it yet. I'm not sure. If you guys have this product somewhere where you are in the world, I know people watch from Australia, people watch from United States, from all different places in the world. So let me know if you have this product in your country yet, called Tindle.
Been Tindled.
Tindle, alright.
Tindle is a juicy plant-based chicken that offers mouth-watering taste, texture and versatility while using a fraction of the land, water and energy needed to produce meat.
Only a fraction of the land and water used to make meat. So that's so good for the environment too. And of course, the animals. The animals don't have to suffer. It's just really great. Like everybody wins.
From birds.
Oh my gosh, I love a chicken burger and I genuinely
This is a great
was
burger.
convinced.
I thought it was chicken.
Guys, this is a meaty marvel. Wow.
Yeah, we do
Yes,
want to try
we
the
do.
nuggets. Oh my god.
Oh, I want to try that food too. Are you guys hungry watching this? I've been actually eating whole foods for 3 weeks, like only raw food, because I wanted to really make sure that my microbiome was in top shape. And so I've been only having green smoothies and ground up flaxseed and chia seeds and things like that. So right now that is really looking good to me.
That's great.
Yay! I'm so happy to be Tindled.
Well, that's fabulous.
I wouldn't have said that, would you?
Yeah, I would have, yeah.
I'm surprised that you got away with tricking us.
I had no idea.
This is like that Tinder swindler.
I can't believe you Tindled swindled us.
Tindle
Wow.
swindle.
I can't stop. Can we eat all of this stuff?
We've had a great day today tasting Tindle and tricking our non-vegan influencers. If you want to find out more about Tindle, you can head to the website tindle.com/UK launch. Leave us
Okay, UK launch.
a comment below if you liked it and also if you guessed correctly. They've been Tindled and so have I, because to be honest, I could eat this all day.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Direct,
Patty direct.
Plant-based news. You guys should absolutely subscribe to this channel. They give you all kinds of great tips and the news of the day. It's really fun to check out. So thanks a lot for being here today, guys. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below if you like this kind of video. Do you like it when I bring you news from around the world, vegan news? Because that is something I absolutely love to do. So if you want to have more of these kind of videos, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, let me know as well. What is it that you would like me to provide to you to help you to be the best vegan you can be? Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Please click on them. Be curious. Look around That Vegan Teacher's site. There are over 1,500 videos to choose from. You can also follow me over on TikTok. My latest account is It's That Vegan Teacher with dots in between. And you can also follow me on Instagram. And on Instagram, it is That Vegan Teacher, Miss KADIE. Don't forget, if you haven't yet given yourself the hug of the day, you absolutely must give yourself a hug. Wink! Because I know you're trying hard. I know you are. I know that each of us has a battle that everyone else knows nothing about, and I want you to make sure that you give yourself enough love so that you can go forward, but also give yourself a bit of a kick in the ass to get moving in the right direction. You know, it's a little bit of both. It's all about balance. Okay? I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye for now.
Let's follow That Vegan Teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her say